Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to mark a chat as unread in Telegram on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your PC. Step 2. The conversation list will appear on the screen. From there, select the chat that you want to mark as unread. Step 3. Right-click on the chosen conversation, and a list of options will pop up on the screen. Step 4. From the list, click on Mark as Unread. That's it. You have successfully marked the chat as unread in Telegram on your PC. Marking a chat as unread can be helpful if you want to prioritize or remember to respond to a particular conversation later. By using this feature, you can ensure that important chats don't go unnoticed or get lost in the plethora of messages. Remember, you can always mark a chat as read again by following the same steps. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials and tips.